Hey guys, today I'll teach you how you can blur background of any video using AI. You can use this AI for free by clicking the link in the description. After clicking the link in the description, you need to upload a video. I'll click on create new project. Here you need to click on add media, then click to upload. Select a video. I'll select this video and I'll enter it. Click on this video. Here you can see effect, click on effect and then click on blur background. I'll show you the video without blur background. Now I'll blur the background. I'll increase it. As you can see, the background is blur now. I'll play it for you again. This is how you can blur background of any video using AI. Then click on this download icon and export as MP4. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.